Minister wife talk to somebody named Juggler.
That me did a pre to in bossy. So leave me use him government name.
The woman is shady bad, you know.
I pick up that bossy. She have a dark side.
No worry, man. I go shed some light on it. She never noticed you.
She did a pre in bossy, to tell her the truth, but you know my thing already. No face, no trace.
What on, German? Make a check on a name for me. Juggler. Anybody with that alias there over the last 15 years, what them involved in a person would have be somebody where a hide behind a legitimate business name. Interesting. Look if the name Michelle Scott come up with film name.
Yes, Michelle Scott here. Policeman daughter. Like she used to rule with him. But she not married to a minister now.
German, thanks so much for your help here. We talk.
Bossy, you start shed some light on the dark already.
May I orange juice?
Orange juice?
One bit for that.
Bossy, alright.
It's alright, thanks.
Bossy, what happened?
I could have swear, miss. I must have chew my tired.
Is there a Mistonian here?
Kareem, you come look for me.
Serving one chicken Alfredo.
Why? You come bring it for me.
Yes.
You bring it. Oh, take out.
This look nice. I shall go night.
Thanks. Alright, now put it on this later. So come here.
Alright.
Now put it on.
Hello, Bubbles?
Yes, Tony.
In the year.
Him there? My son come. Make sure him stay till me reach.